The word grand reminds me of a song. The song The Grand Old Duke of York. I have it in one of my books, a nursery rhyme book, because it is a nursery rhyme. I think it will be the perfect song to practice this week because it includes all the notes that we have learned so far. Do you know it? I think we will sing it first together with the actions. Are you ready? So I want you to pretend that you are the grand old Duke of York with his 10,000 men around, and you are sitting on your grand old war horse. So are you ready? Reins in hand. Here we go. The grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill, and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Oh, and what have we here? A dong note or half note with a dot behind it. That needs some explaining. If you take a magical musical magnifying glass, a normal magnifying glass won't work, you will see that the enlarged dot is a hop note or a quarter note. Now, if we do our maths, the half note counts 2 beats. The quarter note counts 1 beat. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the dotted half note is 3 beats or 3 counts long. If you want to sing along with the song and do the actions as well, just go back on your video and then you can sing along with me and do the actions along with me. And if you enjoy it a lot, then you can carry on singing and doing the actions while I play on the recorder. I've included a link with the song at the bottom of this video. Next time we will have